Hey, I'm meteorologist Chad Garno, and you're watching the Arkansas Extreme Weather Blog for January 10th, 2011. We got walloped with snowfall yesterday, as we were predicting at Fox 16 Weather Center. We got upwards to 6, 7, even close to 8 inches of snow in some parts of southern Arkansas. In Little Rock, we did manage to pick up anywhere between 4 to 5 inches. In the northern half, they got anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. So, needless to say, we got our snow event on Sunday as forecasted, and now it's time to recover from all of the wintry mess. Here's a look at our tower cam shots, courtesy of WeatherBug. This is coming in out of Valonia High School. You notice anything different about this picture? Yeah, we got the cloud cover overhead, and we've got temperatures below freezing, but do you see any cars or buses in the parking lot? No school for kids. I bet you they're loving this day. This is a great shot we got from Fox 16 website. The kids are loving it. I don't know about the parents as much, if they've got to still go out and drive out in this kind of weather, but at least the kids get a snow day for today, and this is one of the main reasons why that is. The roads still really bad out there. As I was driving earlier this morning, the hills seem to be the toughest obstacle to get through, as there are some of them here in Little Rock, and this could be what could happen to you if you don't take control and you don't go really slow on those roadways. Yeah, hopefully that owner is able to fish out that car once the snow melts. It's going to take some time for that snow to melt, as we're going to be staying pretty cold this week. I couldn't resist on this picture, too. How can you? I mean, look at that. You know the dog didn't do that, but, yeah, we got the snow all right. And, all right, let's get to some more meteorological stuff here. Let's look at the visible satellite, and this is coming in right around 11 o'clock, and there is no chance we're seeing sunshine here in Arkansas, so don't think about that at all. We are not going to be melting a ton of this snow for today. We're just going to be out of luck. We've got too much of this stratus cloud coming in the backside of the system, and yeah, we still got another system actually developing in toward the Central Plains. We'll get to that in a moment. This is a look at the projected model here of trying to accommodate the satellite. It struggles with low-level clouds. I'm not going to lie to you. It really does. And you can see it brings a good clearing in Louisiana by 1 o'clock. I'm not seeing that, and I'm not seeing the clearing in eastern Arkansas, so you can wave goodbye to that. So we're going to be inundated with cloud cover. We're going to have, every now and then, some low visibilities, anywhere from around 2 to 5 miles. That's just for airline pilots and anybody who's planning on flying. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of delays and cancellations on that front. But for here in Arkansas, again, most of us are just dealing with the cloud cover. Temperatures mainly below freezing there. We're at 29 in Little Rock as of 11:30. Actually, it looks like Clinton at 32. And if there's any chance of temperatures getting above freezing, it looks like it'll be actually in northern half of Arkansas because they got the least amount of snow yesterday. That's right. Snow plays a factor into all this. And if you got more snow, you're going to be struggling to get above freezing. And then getting closer to Monticello, they didn't get as much snowfall as we were predicting, and they actually only managed to squeeze out anywhere from 3 to 5 inches. And actually, they're right around freezing, according to that thermometer, right around 32 degrees. If we're able to do that in Little Rock, we may melt off a little bit here as we get toward the afternoon hours. But it's still very hard to do with the amount of snowfall we've received, plus we've got plenty of cloud cover overhead. So plan for a cold day, cloudy skies, temperatures getting awfully close to the freezing marker at 32 degrees. All right, let's look at some models here. GFS, the Global Forecast System, initialized this morning at 6 a.m. Valid time at 18Z, otherwise 12 p.m. for the layman folks. And we can see that we've got some very, very light flurries trying to enter the northern half of the state. We're most likely going to forecast this. As we get into Monday evening and Monday night, there is the possibility of seeing flurries, mainly in North Arkansas, that's north of Interstate 40. We're not expecting any large accumulation, if anything, a dusting up there. The larger amount of snowfall will obviously be falling in Missouri and Iowa, so don't be concerned about that. We take a look at another model here. This is the RPM, the Rapid Position Model. Again, we show this at Fox 16 several times here, and this one's a little more aggressive, trying to bring in some flurries as early as around, say, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m., and I don't think that's going to happen, especially here in Little Rock. We'll be lucky to see a couple flurries out of the system. Again, most of the snow is in Missouri. Again, just some maybe light flurries in northern Arkansas, and there you can see the accumulated snowfall projected by this model. It's just saying a dusting at best, and there you can see in the northern half. So don't expect any major snow event for tonight. We are just going to get maybe some flurries nothing adding too much to the ground, and we'll keep up with the cloudy skies, temperatures in the 20s. Let's get to Wednesday, and real quickly for Tuesday, we're just going to get the sunshine in the afternoon. Temperatures are going to get slightly above freezing, but then we're going to get below freezing, even with some sunshine as we go into Wednesday, because we've got this big Arctic high pressure system. Do you see it? It's hard to see it with all the lines here, but it's right here, right over Kansas, and this is a 1044 millibar one. This is a pretty strong high pressure system, and it's carrying along with it some big Arctic air that came all the way from Canada, so it's just ready to plow through us, and it will be through here on Wednesday, giving us temperatures barely, if not a little below freezing, despite some sunshine. Thursday, we'll get a little more sunshine in here, and temperatures will try to get above freezing again into the low to mid-30s at this point. We get to Friday, and the isotherms are lifting northward, which suggests that we are going to get warmer. South winds very light, tap into some warmer air, and eventually it looks like temperatures there could be in the upper 30s, low 40s, if we're lucky to get enough sunshine on that day. As we get into Saturday, we've been showing on air that there's a possibility of rain showers. I think we're going to eliminate that now. It looks like several model runs are suggesting the rain is not going to be coming through on Saturday. So Saturday looks to be a dry day. We could have some clouds increasing through the afternoon hours. Temperatures look like they are going to be improving into the 40s. So good news for us. We're going to get above freezing. We're going to stay there for a couple days, but temperatures are going to fall back, most likely near freezing overnight. And for Sunday, it's been very questionable about what we're going to get around here. Yesterday, the computer models were all over a scenario where we were going to get rain and then turning into another snow event for us into Sunday night. But this model run is holding back on that idea. We're cheering for this idea. We do not want to have to go through another snow event like we just had yesterday. And this model's not showing that, thank goodness. We're getting rain showers over southern Arkansas, cloudy skies, temperatures generally in the 40s to upper 30s. We'll keep that going. No chance of any wintry precipitation with this model run. Let's see what the ECMWF does. This is the European model. And this is initialized yesterday at 6 p.m., and it's going all the way out to 12 p.m. Sunday. Again, it's all rain for us. Rain showers, 40s on the board here, and cloud cover. Fairly good low, you can see, just making its way toward Oklahoma. But the track of that is to lift northeastward, and also it's going to weaken. So for us, we're going to put in rain showers. We're going to keep out the mention of snow, it looks like, as both models are showing that there won't be enough cold air for that. So thank goodness we'll leave that out of the picture for Sunday. And as we go into early next week, looks like it still be possibility of some cold, wet, rainy weather. Temperatures generally in the 30s and 40s, while we got a good downpour in southern part of the state as we get closer toward Monday night. So that's looking ahead for early next week. And this is actually 1 week from now, going out to the 17th of January. And this is going into effect here. You can see a good rain event as you get into the Tennessee and also in Alabama. For here, maybe some light showers and cold air about ready to spill back in as we get into Monday afternoon. So that is a look at what is going to be taking place here in the state. That is it for the Arkansas Extreme Weather Post for today. I'll have more notes on the blog in the coming days. Until then, be sure to watch Jeff Baskin on Fox 16 this evening at 5, 9, and 10. Thanks for taking the time out of your day, and have a wonderful and safe afternoon.